So we're going to jump straight in, and I'm going to show you how to build your own website, what you'll need, how much it'll be, and I'm just going to show you straight and fast and easy how it's going to be very helpful for you and your business. So let's jump straight in. Oh, and I'm going to share you a few things that I have that I bought that you can have for yourself for free, just for watching this video. Stay tuned to the end though. Okay, first what you want to do is visit DreamHost.com. And this place is going to allow you to have a domain name like a .com or anything like that. Let's get started. Now that you're at DreamHost, we're going to go to our right here. If you don't have a login already, then you can easily just start off with getting started. There we go. We're going to go straight into get started, domain included, and all these other features as well. For this shared starter, you're going to only pay yearly. So this will be $2.59 a month, which will basically come out to $31.08. So $31.08 for a year. This will only give you though one website. So, but if you're looking to just make a website, that's perfect for you then. If not, and you're looking to have more websites, multiple ones, then you can look over here to the next two options here. The next two options here, we have DreamPress, which is a new feature where they have specifically designed it for WordPress, which is pretty cool. So here we're looking at $16.95 a month. So with $16.95 a month, that comes out to $203.40 a month. So this is here including one WordPress website, monthly visitors, you have 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, free domain included, and there's other main features as well, and you can see them for yourself. Over here on the right here, we have a $13.75 a month. So with $13.75 a month, that comes out to $165. Now here you have unlimited websites, unlimited traffic, unmetered bandwidth, all these features, 1 gigabyte of RAM. So this is really for new and small websites, and this is really the one I went with here. So this is where I fit in. You can either fit into either one of these three columns, but basically I went with this one. So if you want to get started, you can just press sign up now. Now we're just going to create an account, and all you have to do is enter your email and create a password. Okay, so we're now into the next stage, where it's now choose your VPS, and this is your virtual private server. So you can add this, add MySQL to VPS auto scale. First week is free, then you start adding $15 a month. You could add that, or you can just continue, which basically you can just continue. Now for the VPS hosting, the money part here is where we're at now. So it's very simple and fast. We're looking at $165. So you just fill out your information. Now look down below. You're going to see your credit card information. All you have to do is click add your credit card, fill in your credit card information, then you just click use credit card once you're done. All right. Then after you're done, you can click place your order now. If you don't want to receive any offers or news from them, you just unclick check this and then click that. There you are, and you're all set. Now what you're going to do is let's say you have your piece of land, and this is your web hosting. Now what you need is an address. Say, like an example is an address to your own house. So we'll go here to the left. We're going to click down. We're going to click manage domains. Now here I have a bunch of my own websites that I have, but also what we have here is register a new domain on the right hand side here. So we're going to click here, register a new domain, and here's the fun part. Now you can see if your website is available or not. So for example, let's try out google.com. Search it up. Oh, right here it says sorry, google.com is unavailable, but there's google.club if you're interested. And what we see down here below are many other versions of that you can choose from. So if you're interested, you can still choose google's.shop or any of these other ones. So basically, let's search up your information. Let's say, for example, let's try out the coolest driver me.com. And once you see that your website's available, you can see down here below it says, huzzah, the coolest driver me.com is available.
Huzzah, the day is mine! I'm gonna miss saying huzzah.
Yeah.
And you can add it for $79.99. So once you click it, you see many other options down here only for 99 cents. So you can choose which one fits best for you. But if you really like this one, then you can click add to cart And there you go. On the side here, you go to proceed to checkout. And then once you choose it, you can proceed to checkout. Then you just put all your information down below and then click continue. And then you proceed with the process of just purchasing it. Okay, now that we've set up your domain, we're going to now install WordPress into your website. Now WordPress is going to allow us to manipulate the site so that we can be able to adjust it however we like. We go to the left here, click WordPress, and here's a one-click install. We go to the logo WordPress here, and then we're going to install to select your domain, which is select your website, and we're going to click, for me, the basic driver. For you, it could be different. Click your website. Then we'll leave this automatically create database. Then leave that deluxe install WordPress website builder, and install it for me now. We'll click that now. As it installs, it'll send you an email of your first time to log into your website through using WordPress. It may take a bit, like 15 minutes, for it to calculate everything, but it'll be all set for you, and then we're going to move into the next section. So for now, I'm going to show you an email that you'll receive, and for one of the websites that I created. Here's an example. So once you receive the email, it will then say you can now log into WordPress with this email or username, yada yada yada. Now in order to log in for the first time, you'll need to click this. And first you need to click that link here below, right here, in case, just to begin first time. So with that, once it clicks in, it'll lead you to your website and let you log in to WordPress for the first time. First, I'm going to teach you how to create the basics of the website. Then after that, you're going to be able to learn and do more on your own. But to let you know, I use WordPress and also a plugin called Themify. Now Themify allows you to edit the website a lot easier. The great thing about it is that you can go to my website and actually get a little code there that you can click on through, and it helps out the website and it helps out you. There's different types of options there you can choose from. There's Shop Theme, which is more like Shopify, and there's also Ultra Theme, which is more of a design where you can do anything. I usually go with Ultra. All I have to do for this here is go to all the themes, go for more info. You can even see a demo if you like. It's really cool. Okay, here is Ultra Theme, and you can even watch the video that they have here set, which is really cool, in the demo that they have. Now looking at it, let's see here, we can go down here, and its standard is only $59 and developer is $69. This is nothing compared to what you can make for your website. You can actually be collecting a lot more from your website. Then also, these only coverages are only one-time payments. So this is only a one-time payment, which is really cool. So I usually go with the standard, the $59. So you only go $59. So let's click on that. And here we're going to be able to select any other one we like, or Ultra. I usually go with Ultra. We just fill in our name. Last name, email, username, password. This will allow you to log in and download the plugin. So once you're all set and done, just click I've read and accepted the terms and click next, and all you have to do is fill in your payment information. Now once you're all set, you'll receive an email with confirmation, and remember your username and password. So we're going to go to members now, members area, alright, and we're here. So what I have is I have all these plugins here and also these builder add-ons. These are little things that are knickknacks that are really cool, and I'll describe to you a little bit later. So let's see here. Now Ultra Theme is one of my options. All you're going to have to do is just click it and it'll start downloading here in the right section. Once it's done, you can go back to your website now.